Following the Adlan-led movie was awarded for the best Kabir film during the 10th Rangsina Serpo Film Award. Now the Kabir Film Society had to face a contention on social media. Now it is for the very first time that a Kabir film that had not released publicly has now awarded for the best film. Responding to the controversial matter, director of the movie Rajiv Crow interestingly says such presentation is happening in Oscar function also. Let's listen in what he had to say.
Facebook long, long controversy over her, so I want to say something clarify about this award. At long for a period of a two, I had between a zero. Money get of the road, they are film and long, a pin pen was award is of Bruno. That the chop tape is around you and trying for it. That money, award pulling a Rasan over pin along the road. Akhirnya itu village officer, akhirnya village officer, national award long day akhirnya itu langoleh, Oscar nominated akhirnya itu akhirnya itu langoleh. Public is different and award is different. Agar isilah itu besok sedona, review committee, I mean censor certificate long day pin pen itu film tak langoleh. That itu benefit censor kalau pin pen itu film tak langoleh. No. First, the sensor back the video computer certificate law when is the current. Like a Holando. And if we do know, I mean, the 2020 long, and then like 21 things that have been thought it's not. COVID as a day, now the video is postponed. Again, postpone, check out somewhere. It's nothing. And this is session is not 1920 session is 2021 session. Session 2, 10, 11, 12 session is again 2021 session. Again, reviewed would be our preview in 12 January 2021. Kadok of Filmanda review same day 12 January. So, review committee certificate away program itu Rangsina sama evaluasi cekok tu orang ni. Lasi morning pen, nampak tak? Dia jangan pernah itu video reports being to the public. Please do this one. Review committee certificate orang itu. Review committee certificate orang pin pen kita kan untuk ini illegal. So oleh mana? Waktu tu YouTube video jangan diklaim orang itu because you himself is illegal. So सरकार पे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का ऑफिसी ना तो नहीं पता है ओके पूरा थैंक यू लव यू एंड then हम को February first week nanti tu dan हम को दीपू लोग के चाहिए लारा का दसिंग लोग के क्या होगा ओके थैंक यू गुड नाइट